No, PGTM or pre-implantation genetic testing for monogenic disorders is a test actually to identify embryos which may or may not be affected with a serious genetic disorder, and then those which are unaffected can be recommended for transfer. Though the most common scenario that we find of the PGTM cases that have been performed are when there is an affected child, the variant has been identified, parents are known to be carriers, and this can help in future pregnancies or future conceptions. In addition to not having an affected child, or in addition to the scenario in which there is an affected child, there are other conditions in which a pre-implantation genetic testing for monogenic disorders can be done. So those are when carrier screening is done for whatever reason. It could be because of consanguinity or some history of genetic disorder in the family, say repeated miscarriages, and a common variant is identified in the couple. Both of them are carriers. This is one other common scenario. The other is when there is a known family history, say of X-linked disorders. Maternal uncles may be affected, like in DMD. Then the would-be mother can be tested, and if she is found to be a carrier, PGTM can be offered to prevent the birth of affected children. Then in addition to this, there may be a previous pregnancy which might had some serious abnormalities which was tested and identified to be a carrier of a serious disorder. The parents tested and known to be a carrier. This is another scenario where pre-implantation genetic testing can be offered when there is no affected child.